So Cardano went through one of the most important transformations of its lifetime. On September 12th, Cardano introduced smart contracts. While everyone was talking about how Cardano smart contracts will update and will push ADA to the moon, I saw so many videos talking about can Cardano reach $1,000, can Cardano reach $100, to can Cardano reach $10,000. Along with that, some bearish sentiments like why Cardano will fail to bullish sentiments like why Cardano will rise. I released a video on July 31st on how this coin will go insane as we near the smart contract launch. And since then, the coin has gone up over 100%. Now, if you compare the prices from that time, we can start asking ourselves, is it too late to get in now? So let's answer that and few other important questions. See, regardless if it's a stock or a coin, one thing is always true, and that is the law of supply and demand. Cardano had a great run from the end of July. Check out my first video I did on July 31st on ADA. And I had mentioned that we are going to see a bull run on this coin. Then on August 25th, I released another video that how everyone is saying Cardano will 10x or Cardano ADA will 20x. But let's not get all emotional and be practical. And how we can see a short-term pullback. I'll put these dates in the chart later that will show you how exact the timing was. So do me a favor and comment below and tell me how many coins you hold and what price, because some of us really gotten at amazing price while some of us ended up buying the top. Trust me, I am both sides. I have been dollar cost averaging for a long time, so I got Cardano when it was $1, but I also bought Cardano when it was $2.36. Currently, Cardano is going through a very interesting phase. And in this video, we'll talk about what to expect in the coming days, and is Cardano a good investment, and if Cardano is the future of cryptocurrencies. Let me share my screen and share few things which will help us understand Cardano's near future and overall crypto situation better, and if cryptocurrencies are a better investment in 2021. So September 12th was a big day for Cardano ADA. It added the famous Alonzo upgrade to its blockchain, which will make crypto start accepting smart contracts. Now, my original assumption was that ADA is going to continue to run up close to September 12th. My thinking was that up to September 12th, prices is going to go up. But right after, we are going to see that profit taking and sell the news right here while its ADA tokens runs into profit taking. But I was really surprised because the profit taking started a bit early as more and more news started to circle out about China's regulation and SEC's regulation. More on this later, as this is an important part for our discussion. So the use of smart contracts on Cardano's network has been a major catalyst for ADA fans and even skeptics. Some of us, including myself, even question why ADA has been the third largest crypto asset by market capitalization well before the smart contract capabilities, and where could ADA price go after the launch of the smart contracts. Now, the data shows that September 17th, this is where right on September 17th, there are about 2,352 smart contracts on Cardano's protocol or introduced to Cardano's protocol. But right now, contracts are unusable and are locked in a time lock contract right here. Over 2,300 Cardano smart contracts are waiting in time lock. ADA price slides 20% over 2 weeks. So let's understand time lock. A time lock is a piece of code that locks a certain functionality of a smart contract until a specified amount of time has passed. This is similar like you are depositing a check in the bank, but funds won't be accessible until a certain date and time. What this essentially means is it answers questions like what Cardano does. While the capabilities are there, developers still need to wait to deploy DeFi projects, decentralized application or DApps, and other concepts like tokenization and non-fungible tokens. Now, Cardano is gaining popularity right here. Cardano ADA tops list of most developed project outrunning Ethereum 2 years in a row. But let's take a look at how sell the news happened. So in this chart, there is a correct correlation with the active addresses and price of ADA right here. This is the chart. Right here is the active address count, and this is the ADA price. So the white line that you see is the ADA price right here, and the blue is the active addresses on Cardano. So active addresses were increasing leading up to September 12th. So this is like July right here, then August. And as you can see, everybody was buying ADA, or basically active addresses were going up. So they were trading ADA more. And of course, any dip in the price right here, for example, let me increase it. So you see a price dip right here, and all of a sudden people started to buy and active addresses went up. And then right here, as you can see, there is a dip in the price right here, and people started to buy and active addresses went up. So leading up to September 12th, which was right around here, people were taking advantage of buying the dip. Anytime the price of Cardano ADA dipped, people started to buy more. I actually made 3 purchases right in the recent dips, probably somewhere around over here. But since then, right here was September 12th, you can see that the active addresses have gone down and so is the price. That means now people are getting out of Cardano ADA because they are taking profits. It doesn't mean that Cardano ADA is not good or is not the currency of the future, or if will Cardano ADA survive or not survive. That's not the question. The question here is that people are taking advantage of this bull run that we had up till September 12th, while the developers are waiting for the time lock period. Now let's discuss a few things that are going to tell us if Cardano ADA will reach to $10 in 2021 or if Cardano will reach $100 in 2021. And also, where do we see the price go in the long term? So one of the biggest short-term, I would say, worry or short-term concern that I have personally is that the crypto market is being regulated heavily right now. See, we have already seen how China is treating crypto, but countries like Russia, India are also trying to regulate crypto due to the decentralized nature. But the biggest risk cryptocurrency market faces is the US, as Biden administration is also planning to take some serious measures against crypto. So on September 18th in Wall Street Journal, there was this article that mentioned on how US is looking to regulate crypto. Let me read a few lines from this and then we'll discuss the chart and few price actions. Okay, so this is the article that I talked about. The Biden administration is preparing an array of action including sanctions. Then I'm gonna skip to the Treasury Department plans to impose sanctions as soon as next week. So this came last week on the 18th, and they're talking about that the Treasury Department can impose sanctions as soon as next week, which is this coming week, or when you're watching this video, which is Monday. Now, the actions collectively would represent the most significant attempt yet by the Biden administration to undercut the digital finance ecosystem of traders, exchange, and other elements that cybersecurity experts say has allowed ransomware attacks to flourish in the recent years. Now, in the second page, they're talking about the sanctions are expected to single out specific targets rather than blacklist the entire crypto infrastructure, which is a good thing, where ransomware transactions are suspected of taking place. So the good thing is that they're not going to regulate the whole industry. The bad thing is that they are going to regulate some part of the industry, and traders or basically investors might not like that. So after reading this article and after seeing what Cardano is doing, what Ethereum is doing, what is Bitcoin is doing, now let's look at the price chart. So the video that I released on July 31st, which was right here, this is July right here. July 31st was right here when I released the video. I mentioned how Cardano price will continue to go up towards September 12th, smart contract upgrade. And you can see right here that since that time, Cardano price has gone up all the way almost to 124%. And you see, this is an amazing run up on Cardano, 124% in almost, I would say, less than a month. Then on August 25th, which is right here, over here, I released another video right here where I kind of gave a soft warning that we might have to look at the price more objectively rather than being emotional about it. Because I started to see few videos where Cardano, where they were mentioning like Cardano is going to 20x or Cardano is going to 100x. See, it's all relative. Cardano or any other cryptocurrency or any other stock for the matter cannot keep going up forever. There will be a pullback, and pullback usually happens when there is a strong or a big event that takes place and people started to take profits. So when Cardano smart contracts went live, and like anything else, people take profits, especially when price have gone up so fast so soon. And within 2 to 3 days after releasing that video, we started to see a price stall and started to trace back few days before September 12th, right here, as you can see. So in the same video, I also mentioned that we will see another surge before September 25th and 26th, which is Cardano Summit, which is taking place this month at the end of the month. Now, September 25th and 26th is right around the corner, and I could see the price climb up leading up to the summit. But the latest article shows us that we might hear some regulation from Biden admin as soon as this week. And if that happens, then that might hamper the excitement in Cardano and we might see a pullback for all cryptos. See, here's the thing. I still have the same conviction as I had before, where I feel that Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano ADA reach new highs in 2022 and crypto market will be very strong. But the short-term noise is a perfect opportunity for me personally to add to more to my portfolio. My opinion only, entertainment purposes only. Cardano Summit will be interesting to see what we have in store, and with the new upgrade, and also there could be some big news on the crypto adoption on some major projects. I'll link my August 25th video over here, so do check it out, as it does show how to trade Cardano ADA realistically and not emotionally. I do hold Bitcoin, Ethereum and Cardano along with few other coins. I feel that Ethereum and Cardano ADA has an amazing future, while Bitcoin will always be industry standard. So if you got any value out of the video, then please hit the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on future videos, as there is a lot more to come from the crypto world, because I feel we are just getting started. Thank you for joining me. Love you all. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.